Yo, good day guys. So this is our day 43 out of 365. For today's schedule, meron tayong hit run today. Pinapagawa ni Huawei for today's plan. Currently, gamit natin ang X-Step 160 X 5.0. Easy 28 minutes run lang to. May 4 minutes fast pace. Let's go. Run for your life. 1 kilometer 6:30. Second kilometer 6:28. Third kilometer 6:50. Fourth kilometer 6:15. That's our day 43 with a hit run. Tapos natin. So a total of 4 kilometers for this session. I hope I encourage you once again to be healthy, to be wealthy, to stay active, and always run for your life. Let's go! Kapagod, pero sulit.